If you want to seriously impress someone, you have to make them this cake. Let's make pistachio tres leches. I'd sell my left kidney for a slice. It's so good. Even my dad loved it, and if you know anything about Desi parents, they don't like sweets at all. Every time I make a new dessert, he's like, why don't you make anything namkeen? I'm literally just a girl, please. Anyways, back to the cake. You're gonna make a pistachio sponge and obviously add ground up pistachios to it because it makes a difference. Now, the most important part of making a sponge is whipping the egg whites and making sure they don't become unfluffy or, you know, deflated. You'll have a cake flatter than you, unfortunately. Another important thing is to not line the sides of your pan because the cake basically grips onto the sides as it rises, and if it's lined or greased, it's just gonna collapse inwards, which we don't want. Make sure to let the cake vibe overnight in the fridge to soak in all the milk mixture. And now you make some beautiful whipped cream and spread it onto the cake, and you can also pipe it and make it look pretty, but I don't have the patience for that. Sprinkle some pistachios and some cute little rose petals, and the color combination is honestly healing my eyes. It's so pretty. And if you don't get compliments on this cake, I'm gonna help you sort out the people who had it because their taste buds are broken and they need an intervention now.